What if you could make money while you sleep? That's what passive income is all about. And guess what? It's not just for millionaires. In 2025, it's more possible than ever, and I'm living proof. Welcome back to Financially Smart Mind. Let me show you 5 passive income ideas that actually work, even if you're starting from zero. Passive income, idea number 1. Sell digital products. One of the first things I did was create a simple budget planner. I listed it on Etsy, and within a week, I made my first sale. No inventory. No shipping. Just one file uploaded online, and it keeps selling. You can do the same with the book, journals, resume templates, Notion dashboards. Package something valuable and let the internet do the rest. Passive income idea number 2. Affiliate marketing. This one changed everything for me. I started sharing tools and apps I already used, like budgeting tools and investment apps. Each time someone signed up through my link, I got paid. No selling, no pressure, just honest recommendations. Start with programs like Amazon Associates, Share, A Sale, or your favorite financial apps. You help people and earn at the same time. Passive income, idea number 3. YouTube automation. Yes, just like this video. I use tools like Pictory AI to create content without ever showing my face. Create once, and that video can keep earning through ads, affiliate links, and watch time. Even older videos keep paying. Consistency is key here, not perfection. Passive income, idea number 4. Print on demand. If you've got a creative side, this one's for you. I uploaded some simple designs to sites like Redbubble and Teespring. Whenever someone buys a mug or t-shirt, I get a cut. No printing. No packaging. No stress. Start with Canva or hire a freelancer to design for you. Then, let the store do the rest. Passive income, idea number 5. Dividend investing. This is the slow and steady stream, but it works. I invest in dividend-paying stocks and REITs, and they pay me regularly. You don't need thousands to start. Even $20 a month builds momentum over time. Let compound interest do its thing, quietly in the background. Final thoughts? Passive income isn't about overnight success. It's about building small streams that flow on their own. Start with one idea. Stay consistent, and your future self will thank you. Which idea will you try first? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. And if you're serious about building your financial freedom, hit that subscribe button, and let's grow smarter together. Thank you for watching.